Next item we're going to look at is our attributes. So firstly, what are attributes? Jobs, folders, tasks, and files can all have additional information, or essentially metadata or properties attached as attributes. A good example of this is the subject, sender, and receive date, and so on for an email. Custom attributes can also be attached to help describe files in ways that make sense for your job. You can also use attributes for searching. So the different types of attributes that we have in 12D Synergy are our job attributes. They are located at the job area and on the second tab here. These are predefined by your administrator, and they can be linked to items or referenced in the dashboard, in Word documents, 12D model projects, etc. You can also have folder attributes. They sit on this tab here. Folder attributes would be applied specifically to items within that folder or any subfolders below it. Okay. Documents in a folder can also reference job attributes. An example of a job attribute would be any attribute set up to enforce, say, a naming rule. You can also have file attributes. They apply specifically to a file. The attributes are defined at a folder level. All new files can be created in the folder will have the same attributes. Okay. And file attributes can be used for filtering files. They can only be modified when a file is checked out. So you can see on this document here, it has an attribute called status, and it's set to pending approval. So how do you apply these attributes? Well, document formats such as Excel, Word, DWG that have 12D Synergy plugins can have these attributes embedded. Okay. You can upload the source of these attributes, such as a job attribute, when the job is automatically checked out. An example of that is that template we looked at before. I'm going to open a second session of the 12D Synergy client here, and anyone can do this. It does not use another license. 12D Synergy licenses are non-concurrent. They are assigned to a user. So we're going to do a job search, and I'm going to search for my library job. I'm going to put this one next to my other client. Come down, and we're going to look at our Word template that we used before. Okay. If I do a view on this one, you can see that this template has been set up using the square brackets and the attribute names. So if we have a look at our attributes for Emu Park, you can see we have client, job address, job name, and they have all been used like that. So in a generic template, when you bring these into that job, it will automatically fill out the values next to them.